Yo, hopefully you can hear me. Back to another vlog. This vlog, I'm just going to be on the back of a grab, riding through Bangkok, show you how mad the roads are. It's just hectic. Don't know where we ain't crashed. I ain't got an helmet on. It's just mental. So we're going to do a little 10-15 minute run through of these roads. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Not a joke, you know. Yo, it's mental. Some man is dangerous, you know. Seriously. Some man is seriously dangerous. But yo, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I appreciate it every single time, but as I say, we're just cruising around Bangkok on a grab. Close, man. Close, boy. I'm telling you. Do you want some drag race off the lights then? My mum on a race there. Yeah, man, we're just Bangkok living right now. 4-way traffic lights. Smoking and smoking. Second, man. Tuesday is on a semi-auto. That's on a semi-auto tinkler. Get me. Wobbling in a bit then, though. Just swerving. It's hella traffic everywhere. Ooh, I think someone just crashed, you know. There's some mad noise, like. Let me put the tuk-tuk saying I want to race. Mad. Mental. Mental, boy. So your life will flash before your eyes out more than 5 times. Seriously, even like my knees, like, not my knees are pointing out. If I just clip a car, it's peak. Ooh. Another set of lights. Gang. Yeah, man. It's just a little, not even a chilled vlog, this is just a little ride through Bangkok and what it's like being on the back of a grab. If you ain't built for it, then, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Just living, man. It's what life's about. Get out there, explore the world, man. Explore how different people live. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about, making memories. Make your money and spend that on memories, you know what I'm saying? Could be dead off tomorrow, you never know, man. Live life to the max. Always, like I say, just do what you want, man. If you've got an idea, you want to do it, just do it. No one really cares what you're doing. Like, no one gives a fuck, you know what I mean? It's chaos, look. Chaos on the roads, boy. Need to come off then. Oh, fast. See what I'm saying? Nah, you see what I'm saying? It's not a joke, you know. It's not a joke. I swear down. These cars just take you out. No, it's on the wrong side of the road. This is what's going on, like, I swear down, look at him, look. Another close one. Yo, seriously. My man's getting me shook a bit. That's 2 close calls in 2 minutes. Stress. You know what as well, I don't know how it works, obviously with me not having a helmet on, like, can the police still pull me and do me for not having a helmet even though I'm a passenger on the bike, like? I've got my licence on me, but obviously I'm not riding, am I? You know what I'm saying, gang? Fucking hell, I've got a free road for once. This is a rare sight. Empty road. Rare sight, that. Red light, watch. Bet you go straight through it. Oh no. Saving me, man. Saving me some grace. Cause yo, keep saying it, but we need look. No business about the red lights round here, man. Trust me. Yo, we're moving, man. We're moving and grooving. Moving and grooving, guys. Yes. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that. When I first come to Bangkok though, I had mixed thoughts, like, how I was feeling about the place, because it's like being in London. That's how I can explain it. It's like being in London, yeah. Obviously it's a bit cheaper and it's a lot hotter. So it's like an ultimate city, if that makes sense. Obviously it's a lot bigger than London. But yeah, as I was saying, if you can hear me, it's a lot bigger than London. But it is a lot better. Probably one of my favourite places so far, Chiang Mai and Bangkok. Definitely, man. Definitely. I don't want to talk to them if you can hear me or not, so just enjoy the ride, man. Put your feet up. Watch me in some serious danger. You know what as well, I ain't even going to have to edit this video, I'm literally just going to upload it as it is, raw, no edits, you get me just straight up. Yeah, watch me edit that about 10 times. Really like that there, go on. Hi. got the police there. Seriously. Hopefully they don't pull me. Doubt it though. My man's taking it way easier now. Must be sweet, you know, because he's keeping a bit back still. He ain't daft. He knows I've got no helmet. You have to be careful, you know what I'm saying? You have to be careful, man. We've probably been on this grab now, probably what? I don't even know. 15 minutes maybe? 15, 20 minutes? We'll run it for about 20 minutes this vlog, you get me? Just literally showing you Bangkok life. I think the best way to get about it. Forget being in a car. You want to be on the back of a grab, in and out, you get me? I did have a pet, but we'll do story time about that. We'll do story time. Be careful when you're getting pets. That's a good, what do you call it, like, some good information from me. Be very careful. Let them have your passport, you know, and if they want to try to charge you 10k, you have to pay it. I think I'll get your passport back. That's basically what happened to me. Back on the move, boy. We're just cruising, man. Cruising. Hopefully you can hear me, I'm not too sure, like, but the roads have calmed down here. So it's safe for now, it's safe. Safe. Not for long, serious. Carnage again, chaos. See, you know what I'm saying? I'm just on the other side of the road, like, don't business. It's not business at all. That man's gone straight through the red lights. Say, there's no rules out here. No rules. You don't even have to have a license if you're riding a bike. You get me, you get a fine when you're back fine. That's it. So I'm assuming it's probably the same for a car. You just buy a car, jump in it, and you're gone, you're like that. Yeah, we're back off, man, we're back off. What's my man doing? Oh, we're going right, we're going right. I let him off, man, I let him off. We're going right still. It's mad as well, because when you get on these grabs, you never ask the geezer's name or nothing, his face is always covered. You never even know who's driving you. You just put a lot of trust into them. You get me? I'm not there for that, man, I'm here for that. I'm here for that, boy. Smoked. So I'm going to run this for about 5-10 more minutes, and I reckon that's enough. You saw enough of the craziness, how busy the roads get, and just be prepared when you get on these grabs. It's what they call what my mum says, a white knuckle ride. That's exactly that. Don't business about the red lights, you're just gone. So yeah, if you're a bit nervous and you don't like other people being in control, get a tap, get a grab, but choose the car. It's going to take you probably twice as long to get to your destination, like, but yeah, this ain't for the weak, man, on these bikes, I'll tell you straight. Some of the bikes as well, we've got like 3 people on, so you'll have like a man riding it, the kid in the middle and the mum at the back. Three people on one bike, no helmets, no problem, no one saying a thing, like, we just do as you're doing. You just do as you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Calm down, mate, calm down. Looking at my big ADV 350, blood, I smoke ya. Lucky boy. You see me every single time I come to the lights here. It's drag race, straight drag race. Woman, man, old man, whatever. I'm racing off the lights, simple as that. Don't want to get smoked. Don't want to get smoked, man. I don't know which way we're going here, though. Straight or left, I don't know. Yo, Chow. Yo, Chow, how are you? I'm good, about you? What you on about? Yo. Back on the madness, boys. Back on the madness. Say what you on about? Yo, boys, I'm gonna end the vlog there, yeah? Quick little 20 minutes. That's what it's like on the back of a grab through Bangkok. It's a lot cheaper, but if you're a little fairy, it's not for you. Yeah, man, lit. Hope you enjoyed that little quick vlog. Like, subscribe, I appreciate everything. But yeah, man, until the next one, big love and big respect. Love.